Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify checkout settings with theme and config backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Shopify checkout settings along with theme and config backups, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current theme. For a backup of your theme, locate the Actions button next to your current theme. Click on Actions, then select Download Theme File. This action will send a zipped file of your theme to your registered email address. Now, check your email for the theme download link. Download and save this file in a secure location where you can easily access it later. Next, let's back up your checkout settings. In the Shopify admin, go to Settings at the bottom left corner. Click on Checkout in the Settings menu. Take note of your current checkout settings, as Shopify does not provide a direct export option for these settings. You may want to take screenshots or manually write down your preferences for easy reference. Consider using a document or spreadsheet to organize your backup data. For more advanced users, using a third-party app can streamline this process. Sometimes, Shopify apps can help in exporting your checkout settings, so explore that option if necessary. After documenting your settings, return to the Shopify admin. To back up your config settings, go back to the Settings menu. Click on the General, Payment Providers, and Shipping and Delivery sections one by one. Document any custom configurations or settings that may not be easily copied later. Now that you have all your backups, ensure your files are stored securely. Regularly updating your backups can save you time and trouble in the future. This concludes the process for backing up your Shopify checkout settings along with theme and config backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.